Chief Minister the other day says that 6,000 jobs will be generated. These are first of all very notional figures. Chief Minister also has record that we cannot guarantee that Goans will be employed. So those jobs are for whom? And what is he trying to do? There are so many teachers, para-teachers, Goa shipyard workers, all are on the streets, they can be regularized. And you are talking of additional job which is just in the air. And that too, his own commitment that he cannot guarantee that locals will be employed in these places.
BJP has ensured complete breakdown of governance in the state of Goa. You see, Congress has been saying it from day one. People of the state have been saying it from day one. But an implied admission has now come from their own MLA, who has said that 5 ministers from BJP government are failures. It is an implied admission by a constituent of the own BJP government that this governance has failed. BJP, in other words, has betrayed the mandate of the people and bluffed the voters to secure a mandate. Where is that good governance? Where is that Achhe Din? It is good governance. That concept of good governance has been demolished. It is Achhe Din for BJP ministers, whereas it is Bure Din for Goans and Goikas. You see, they are talking of governance. A for arrogance, B for betrayal, C for corruption. इतल्याचेरूच ते सोपल्या जीचेर पावूंकूच ना. They have done nothing to be called as good governance. Rather, they have demolished the concept of governance.